Imagine you're 300 million miles from Earth. Your spacecraft, NASA's Lucy, is quietly scanning ancient asteroids locked in Jupiter's orbit. These Trojan asteroids have drifted, untouched, for more than 4.5 billion years. And then, at the exact moment Lucy's cameras pick up something with sharp edges and geometric patterns, the feed goes dark. Was it just a glitch? A cosmic ray? Or did Lucy glimpse something so unusual that even NASA wasn't ready to show it? In this video we're diving deep into the mystery of what Lucy may have seen, and why the Trojan swarms are the most likely hiding place for something artificial in our solar system. Lucy isn't just any probe. It's the first mission ever to visit Jupiter's Trojan asteroids, two enormous swarms of space rocks trapped at stable points ahead of and behind the gas giant's orbit. These are called Lagrange points, cosmic parking spots where gravity and orbital motion balance perfectly. For decades, scientists have dreamed of studying these Trojans up close. They're like time capsules from the dawn of the solar system. The mission's main science goals are to photograph their surfaces, measure their composition, and reconstruct how our solar system formed. Lucy wasn't supposed to reach its primary Trojan targets until 2027. But during early scans on the way, its high-tech cameras may have caught something that looked nothing like a natural rock. Why does this matter? Because if any intelligent civilization wanted to monitor the inner solar system without being seen, the Trojan swarms would be ideal. Stable, objects can sit there for billions of years without using fuel. Hidden, from Earth they're faint and hard to observe. Huge population, millions of rocks provide perfect camouflage. Think of them as cosmic rest stops. If you wanted to stash a probe, a sensor, or even the wreckage of some ancient technology, this is where you'd park it. So what exactly could Lucy have glimpsed? Let's break down the three leading possibilities, one mundane, one extraordinary, and one outright mind-blowing. If any advanced civilization seeded our solar system with monitors, the Trojan Lagrange points are exactly where they'd go. Perfect stability, minimal maintenance, low chance of discovery. Lucy's cameras are now the first ever to get close enough to potentially spot such an object. Imagine a reflective shard from some vast, long-abandoned construction project, like a piece of solar sail or a collector panel drifting for eons. Under Lucy's long-range imager it would shine like polished metal against black space. Remember Oumuamua, the elongated mystery object that zipped through our solar system in 2017? What if something similar passed by Jupiter millions of years ago and got captured? It would now be orbiting, masquerading as an asteroid but with a shape and composition no natural body should have. Any one of these scenarios would rewrite our understanding of the Trojan swarms, and perhaps of our own cosmic neighborhood. Lucy isn't just a camera on a bus. It's a high-tech surveillance platform built for precision. Its main eye, the LORI, long-range reconnaissance imager, can pick out details smaller than a football field from hundreds of thousands of miles away. But Lucy also has something new, onboard AI. The spacecraft runs software designed to flag anything that doesn't match expected asteroid patterns, odd shapes, unusual brightness, even temperature anomalies. This AI processes thousands of images faster than human teams back on Earth can. If this sounds familiar, that's because it is. Space missions have a history of feeds going dark just as something weird shows up. International Space Station, between 2014 and 2016, NASA's LIV feed cut out multiple times just as bright, unexplained objects drifted into frame. Officially, these were routine technical glitches. The timing still raised eyebrows worldwide. Apollo 15 moonwalk, in 1971, a bright light appeared above an astronaut in a photograph. It fueled decades of speculation about UFO monitoring until NASA confirmed it was a lens flare. Voyager missions. Even the far-flung Voyagers have had odd data dropouts, later explained as cosmic ray hits or telemetry noise, but always at tantalizing moments. If Lucy did photograph something artificial, or even just highly unusual, this wouldn't be another quirky asteroid story. It would be the first evidence of non-natural technology parked in our own solar system. We'd have to rethink how we search for signs of life, not just radio signals, but artifacts hiding in gravitational sweet spots. Even if it turns out to be a purely natural object, Lucy could still discover a new class of captured interstellar debris or an unknown type of Trojan body. Either way, this is science history in the making. Lucy's team is extremely cautious. Every image is being reprocessed. Every anomaly is double-checked. NASA has said nothing officially beyond routine status updates. But behind the scenes, the data are pouring in. Lucy's instruments can measure not just shape and brightness but thermal properties, mineral signatures, and composition. If anything about this object is unnatural, unusual alloys, engineered geometry, the science team will know. Expect the first official Trojan flyby images in 2027. Until then, early scans and mysterious glitches like this one are all we have to go on. The Trojan swarms are the oldest, most stable regions of our solar system. They've been cosmic parking lots for billions of years. If something, or someone, wanted to leave a message, a probe, or even just a piece of technology, this is where they'd put it. Lucy is the first spacecraft ever to look closely at these ancient objects. And just maybe, its cameras have already seen something that isn't supposed to be there. If you're fascinated by these kinds of mysteries, make sure you're subscribed. We'll be following Lucy's journey every step of the way and breaking down every update as it happens. Hit the bell so you don't miss the next chapter, because what Lucy finds out there could change everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood. Thank you for watching my channel.